The first product that I'll be using is called the Breakout Clearing Foam Wash. Now this product is actually one of my staple items within my skincare routine, and the reason for this amazing product is because I use it typically in the morning and in the evening. The benefits of this product include that basically it gets rid of all the dirt from the day or the evening, especially from the air, because air pollution is a real thing, and basically it just unclogs your pores and it gives your skin that fresh glow look, and it's incredible. So I'll be showing you how to use it. So we're gonna pour a little amount, and we are going to rub it all over my face and my neck, because let's not forget about the neck. And the neck. Always remember when applying products to always go upwards. The reason for this is because we don't want any lines, especially as teenagers being so young. Just want to make sure you rub it all over. Okay, now we're going to rinse it all off. Okay, now remember to use not cold water or hot water, but lukewarm water. And then rinse it off. Okay. And now, just to dry all of that off. Oh. As you can tell, my cheeks are rosy. Okay. Voila! And that is step 1 done. The next product that I'll be using is called the Charcoal Rescue Mask. Now, the purpose of this product is to once again brighten your skin, and since it is a mask, it does require some time, extra time needed on your skin. So we will be leaving this on for between 3 to 5 minutes. And as you guys are aware now, I do have sensitive skin, so I won't be applying it to my cheeks. I will, however, still apply it to my forehead and my chin and my nose and perhaps my neck. So let's go ahead. Okay. It does say apply generously, so look at that. OMG. OMG. Okay. And now look at that. Okay. So, oops, maybe a bit too much. Sure. In between. You know, I might just actually apply it to my cheeks, but then I won't leave it on for a long time. Oh, I love the smell of this product. Okay, I am gonna go ahead actually and apply it to my cheeks. I was wrong. Because I did apply quite a lot to my hands, so I don't really want to waste that. Okay. Okay, now we are going to set the timer for 3.5, 4 minutes in between, and then I'll see you guys. Okay. Okay, now we are going to set the timer for 3.5, 4 minutes in between, and then I'll see you guys. Okay, just a quick update. So you want to use this product twice a week because you don't want to overdo it. And also what I've noticed is, what I'm feeling is that it actually, like, my skin feels extremely tight, and oddly it's quite satisfying, but like I can barely move it. Almost time to wash it all off. Once again, using lukewarm water. Not done. Back to my rosy red cheeks. Okay, so the next product is called the Skin Smoothing Hydrating Lotion, and basically it's all in the name. What it does is it hydrates your skin, making it feel good and glowy, and you can use it daily and apply it all over to your face, including your neck. So we're just going to do that. There we go. Heaven. Chin. And then the neck. Once again, let's not forget the motion. We want to do it upwards. Gently, don't be too hard on your skin. There we go. On to the next step. Look what just dropped. the Clearing Defense SPF 30. This product protects breakouts from environmental stress, and the best time to apply it would be 30 minutes before going out into the sun. Now I'm going to apply just a bit so I can show you how it's used and how it looks like. There we go. And then you can also apply it to your neck. Now the reason why I am not applying a lot on is because I am not going out into the sun. I am just staying indoors since we are quarantining. But I just thought that I would include it for you in my skincare routine, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so the next product that I have with me is called the Sheer Tint, and basically what it does is it gives you a natural layer of what do I call it, shine to your skin without needing foundation. And what's also cool about this product is that once again it moisturizes the skin, and it's all about your skin. No clogging of the pores, and it's extremely light. Your skin doesn't feel heavy after using it. I got it in the dark variation. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Need to add a bit more. Okay, I'm gonna blend it in now. I just want to do this. My neck also. Okay. As you can see, there's already a shine to it. Very natural looking, not over the top. Glowy. Oh, feels really good. Okay, the next product that I have with me is called the Hydro Blur Primer. And basically what it does, it's in the name once again, it blurs all your pores that you have, and it just makes it smaller. So yeah, so I'm going to go in with this and just apply it to my skin, to my pores. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply a small amount to your palm, and then just rub it over your entire face and of course your neck. It's like a paste kind of vibe, and it also blurs fine lines. So now it's just important to continue going upwards. And because I have that sheer tint moisturizer on, it's also important to blend. So what you can do is you can also use your Hydro Glow primer and then also mix it with your sheer tint, and it will give you an amazing outlook. Okay, tad bit more to my forehead and then to my neck. Okay. Oh, incredible. Wow. I cannot tell you how good I am feeling right now, just because my skin feels absolutely incredible. And it's important to maintain a strong skincare routine, especially during this time of quarantining. Yeah. Lovely. Quick update, this is how my skin looks at the moment. As you can see, that was my working station for all my products and my towel. Oh, incredible. And always remember, consistency is absolutely key. Thank you.